Namaste dear friends, welcome to the 11th day of 30 days yoga challenge. I truly believe that you're practicing yoga every day and getting many benefit out of this. As usual, we will also start the yoga session with an affirmation. First we use affirmation loudly, then second slowly, third very slowly as a whisper. Keep that affirmation in the mind. Try to concentrate on that affirmation. With that concentration, we will be practicing the session. Sit in a crossed leg position, Sukhasana. We will start with a breathing exercise. As usual, you have both hands in Chin Mudra, close your eyes. Open your chest, keep the spine straight. Now inhale deeply and hold the breath. Slowly exhale. Inhale deeply and hold the breath. Slowly exhale. One more time. Inhale deeply and hold the breath. Slowly exhale. Sit comfortably, close your eyes. Focus at the point between your eyebrows. Try to use the affirmation. Repeat after me. I am love. I am love. I am love. Slowly open the eyes. Now sit, keep your both legs outstretched. Keep the knees straight. We'll be starting the session with the Asana. That's a stretching exercise. Now from there, bend your right leg. Place the right foot over the left thigh as much as you can. And if you could not place the right foot on the left thigh, at the top of the left thigh, you can place a little bit lower. Then it will be close, more easier for you. Then hold your right toe with the left hand. Hold the right knee with the right hand. So this is an alternative position. People who are more flexible, you can bring more closer to the thighs. So hold the right toe with the left hand. Hold the right knee with the right hand. And as you inhale, bring the right knee closer to the chest. As you exhale, press the right knee down to the mat. Go as far as you can and visualize yourself that your hips are getting more flexibility. Up, as you inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Do it 10 to 15 times. At the same time, keep your spine straight, look forward. And your left knee up, left knee straight, left toe pointing up. Keep all the part of the body engaged during the practice. Inhale up, exhale down. Do it 5 more times. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. One more time. Inhale up, exhale down. Now release the right leg, right knee straight, right toe pointing out. Bend your left knee, left foot over the right thigh as far as you can. Use an alternative like just above the knees. Place the right foot if you are not so flexible. And hold the left toe with the right hand, left knee with the left hand. With inhalation, bring the left knee towards the chest, left part of the chest. Exhale, left knee down, left knee touching on the mat. Inhale up, exhale down. At the same time, right knee straight, right toe pointing up, chest up. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Do it 10 to 15 times. Without any tension to the body. Your chest is opening. Look forward. And visualize the changes in your hip. And mentally affirm that your hip are opening. Five more time. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. One more time. Inhale up, exhale down. Slowly release the left leg. Shake your legs a little bit. Shake your toes. Now, keep in the same position, your feet few inches away from each other, hip width apart. Now hold the right toe with the left hand. Separate the right hand away from the shoulder. Look at the right fingertip. Exhale, come to center. Now hold your left toe with your right hand. Extend your left hand. Look at the left fingertip. Twist the upper body towards the left. Inhale up. Now do the other side 5 to 10 times. To the left. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to the left. One more time. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, come to center. Exhale to the left. Again, come to center. Hold the both toes with the both hands. Interlock the fingers. Keep the feet separated. Look forward. Breathe. And if you could not hold the toes, you can hold the ankles and look forward. 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Now, sit on squatting position like this. Place, interlock the fingers and place the hands down like this. Look forward. As you inhale, slowly stand up without any tension. Exhale, slowly bend down. Go down as far as you can. Keep the hands loosened, not tightened, just loosened. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Two more times. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Slowly place the palms down, slowly sit up, and again both legs outstretched. Inhale. As you inhale, both legs up, both hands up. Before that, keep the knees straight, toes pointing up, both arms up. As you exhale, forward bend down, hold the toes or your ankles as much as you can, as far as you can. Inhale up, exhale, forward bend down. Three more times. Inhale, both hands up, exhale, forward bend down. 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 Stay there, hold the toes or your ankles, whichever is comfortable for you, and stay in the position. Look at the knees, keep the knees straight, kneecap up, engage your thigh muscles and breathe. Don't tense your back muscles. Keep comfortably in the position. Breathe. Each exhalation squeeze your abdomen in and move forward as far as you can without tensing your back muscles. Slowly inhale, head up, chest up, release the hands, both hands up, exhale, both hands down. Now lie down on the mat, on your abdomen. Your feet together, toes pointing out. Place the elbows on the mat, palms facing down, forehead on the mat. As you inhale, your head up, just place keeping the elbows on the mat, spreading the fingers. Keep the chest up, press hips down on the mat, look up. Breathe comfortably. Exhale down. Two more times. Inhale up. Look up. Breathe. 1. 5 deep breathing. 2. 3. 4. 5. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. Look up. Elbows down. Press your hips on the mat, knees straight, thighs engaged. Chest is wide open as far as you can. Give a nice stretch on your back muscles and stretch your neck. Extend your throat region. Breathe. Exhale down. From there, press the palms under the shoulder, Inhale, head up, chest up, slowly stretch up. Sit up in Shashangasana, child's posture. Place the palms in front of you for her toes to the mat. Breathe. Inhale, head up, just up. Slowly sit on your heels. Come up. Sit up. Again, sit in Sukhasana. Both hands in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Slowly open the eyes. With the palms together in prayer position. Thank you so much for your practice. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Namaste.